So, what's your name?
My name is Farman sir.
Farman, do you know what is this?
This is scientific.
What course have you completed?
I have completed CC course.
Alright. So, could you explain in 1-2 sentences that what is your experience?
My experience is good.
Good. Alright. So, the method of American do you like?
Yes, I like method of American.
Okay. Is this different method?
Yes, sir. This is different.
Alright. So, can you operate computer programs
Yes.
now?
Yes, sir. I can operate.
Can you make PPTs?
Yes, I can make PPTs.
Okay. Can you operate Excel?
Yes, sir. I can operate Excel.
So congratulations to you because you have completed this course and be the part of our next course once more.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.